Hello, welcome to my channel, guys, to everything. Today we're going to teach you how you can make money by sharing your internet bandwidth and be making money every day. Your unused internet bandwidth can be sold via an app that I'm going to show to you today, and you'll be making money in dollars, and this dollar can be withdrawn using a ACH transfer, which means that if you are registered with a company like Pioneer, you can quickly withdraw your money. If you are registered with a company like GPay, you can easily withdraw your money in dollars and convert to Nigerian currency at ease wherever you are in the world. If you are in US, you can also withdraw in ACH and also get your money in dollars. So irrespective of wherever you are in India, you can get your money through ACH, convert your money to rupee. So depends on where you are located. With this particular website or app I'm going to show you today, you can easily make money using your internet bandwidth, the unused internet bandwidth. Just on it and you'll be making money in dollars. It's not the normal one, you know. This one now is legitimate, very legitimate, and you can easily cash out at any time. There's no time of cash out. You can cash out every day. So if you just go straight to our description box, you will see a link there. Click on the link, it will take you to this particular app where you will sign up and start making money. If you like this app, do not forget to share the video with your friends and family, and do not forget also subscribe to our channel, guys, to everything, so that subsequent videos that will come also on how to make money, you can be able now to get it. And don't forget to click on the bell button there, so that whenever we upload any video, you'll be able to receive the alert showing that we have uploaded a video. Thanks for watching the video. Go straight to the description, click on the link below and start making your money. And do not forget to give a thumb up, subscribe and share the video. I know you are going to enjoy yourself. You're going to make money from this particular app, and you'll be cashing out every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel. Go to the description link there. You see the link there. Click on it and sign up and start making your money. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.